So
Okay,
everybody
people,
can
what's up?
jump
What's
in
up?
and
We are
invest.
Dino
So
BUSD. The
it's launched.
contract is launched.
It's
Shit,
officially
I'm
launched.
in my
Yeah.
wrong wallet. This can't be real.
Everybody can invest in.
This can't be real.
Hello, Dino.
Yeah, brother.
There's always something, huh?
Yeah, thank you so much for the opportunity to contribute to this.
Yeah,
Um,
you're always welcome, brother.
yeah.
Thank you so much, bro.
Yes, you were initially concerned about the code being exposed to
Yeah.
other people who might want to copy it.
Okay,
That
Mm-hmm.
was the
throwing
reason you did not want to have the
$105.
contract audited. But now that it has been audited by the George stamp,
Yeah.
what becomes of other people copying it?
Exactly.
My fault, people. I forgot that my mic and everything was connected to. Where's that playing from? Uh-oh. Okay, people. Yes, we confirmed. We got 52 Dino. 52 Dino was able to buy in right at the beginning. All right, for the people that don't know, Dino BUSD, this is version 2. We all seen the success of version 1. The contract balance already up to 2,785 Dino. I wish I had some more money to throw in. Dollar cost average, depending on how this contract balance is growing. Now, they are utilizing their own coin, people. It's 5% daily, 6% withdrawal fee, 6% deposit fee. And the interesting thing about this is actually there's 5% reward, but an interesting thing about this particular version of the platform is that you only can withdraw 50% of what you claim. So you could claim every day your 5% every day, but at the end of the week, if you utilize the 6-1, which I believe they're implementing into this one, which is the compound 6 or withdraw 1, you'll be able to withdraw actually 50% of how much you have available to withdraw, and then the extra 50% goes back to your deposits, growing the bag exponentially. So let's take a look at these white papers really quick while we're waiting on all of this. It's just officially launched, people. Don't waste no time. Hit that link down below. Get started. Like this video. Engage that notification bell and subscribe, and then marry the subscribe button. All right, let's do a quick overview, people. All right, let's just stay to the stuff that's important to me. Okay, all state tokens will be based on all functionality of the daily claims, and then 7 days withdrawal cycle. Stake will be 5% daily. Okay, return until 50% of initial investment is recovered, and then later it will be changed to OPTO functionality. OPTO functionality is a profit distribution mechanism deployed to control the pump and dump and sudden TVL drop happening due to unforeseen circumstances. All new investors will not be impacted by this behavior, and they'll be getting straight 5% till their 50% of their investment is recovered. All right. So after 50% of your investment is recovered, and then at least you know that first 50% won't be affected at all by changes and stuff like that. Now they do have their own token, and something I wanted to point out where I heard about a token is the token is going to be utilized on moonark.app. You guys all know what moonark.app is. Let me open it up right here. Pretty much it's like the industry leading in DeFi for like these miners and these dApps and stuff, like to keep track of everything and how the money and everything is being circulated. Okay, now they're going to be accepting payments for advertisements on Moonark with the Dino tokens. Okay, with the Dino BUSD token or the Dino token. Also, what I'm hearing is a lot of YouTubers are opting to be paid in Dino BUSD tokens, Dino tokens. So it's a lot of use cases coming up with this. Let's see what it says right here. Okay, it says a crypto token is a virtual currency token or a dimension. Oh, wow. We already know what a token is. Now, the thing about this, you won't be able to sell it. You'll just be able to stake it. Oh my God, am I wasting time? Did I forget to stake it? Hold on. Oops, I'm on the wrong one. Hold on. Let me open back the Dino BUSD. Where is it? Okay, we're back to the Dino BUSD. Let's see if I could approve all of that. Hold on. What? Oh my God, did I approve it but not buy it? Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Have to be kidding me. Okay, people, make sure you guys approve. Yikes. Make sure you approve and then buy the tokens. I don't know how. I made such a rookie mistake, people. Make sure you approve the amount of BUSD and then you buy. Okay? Now I have 51.9. I believe before I said 52, so it wasn't that much incurred loss. But now we're there. And then once you have that, okay, and once you have that, then you'll be able to go over here to the investment protocol. And I believe you type in how many how much Dino tokens you have. And then you approve it from there. And this would be how you stake the token itself. This transaction fee is only 9 cents. Okay, let's take a look at that. All right, now that's confirmed. Now that I have my 51.89 tokens in there, I should begin to start seeing these rewards come in. All right, people. Now my link will be down below and in the comments. Remember, people, we on that push. There goes some other people talking about the video itself. I mean, the Dino BUSD version 2. I'm on that push. I'm basically at 1,000 subscribers. I was at 1,000. Look like somebody unsubscribed, but it is what it is. I want to thank everybody that made it possible for me to hit that 1K subscribers. Thank you. We reached our first official milestone. That being said, it's time to step these videos up, take things to the next level. Just stay more consistent and more persistent with these projects and how to make this daily passive income, because that's our main goal in these platforms, is to make this passive income so we can live life the way that we want to live life. All right, people, I'm pretty sure that's your goal. That's definitely my goal. Let me hit refresh on this before I get off and see if anything mixed up, so you'll be able to claim your daily and then withdraw. 50% is allowed to withdraw. Okay, so there's a lot of use cases for the coin. I don't want to bore you guys to death, but it seems like we're in good money. It's my wallet value. Wait, why does it say user invested and it shows 0? Did I have to approve that part as well? Let's try one more time. 51.89. Let's deposit. I'm not sure if you had to approve the Dino BUSD, but we're gonna find out right now. No way I made that same mistake twice. Who knows? Maybe we did. So you user invested, you 3x your profit. Okay, so the amount that you could actually gain from this platform is a 3x. All right. So my daily user ROI, so that was the issue, would be 2.59 Dino. The good thing about this is, since the Dino token is going to be its own token, it's going to have its own use cases, the price of the Dino token can actually go up. So you might not even want to withdraw all of that. You might want to allow it to build up some before you change that back to BUSD. Okay, so I invested 51.89 Dino tokens, and my max, well, my 3x profit would be 155. All right, people. So let's hope for the best. Depending on how this go, I might add some more tokens in the near future. 6% withdrawal fee, 6% deposit fee, 5% daily. Yo, these are bank killers. The banks hate DeFi and crypto. I know this for a fact. I'm telling you, they hate it. They hate us. They hate us. All right, people. So that's Dino BUSD. I don't want to make this too long. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But look at this intro that I'm putting as an outro.
Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.